Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, Bengaluru. Welcome to the new episode of The Sky This Week. Since this is the monsoon season, we expect lot of cloud covering the sky. In this episode, we will look at the easily identifiable objects in the night sky so that whenever the sky gets clear, we can look at them. Evening sky, the direction where sunset, first day after new moon. Observe the moon in the twilight if possible. Planet Mercury, which was up above the horizon for last few weeks, is now drowned in twilight, hence becoming invisible. Here are the 7 stars which we recognize as Saptarishi Mandala. We now know how to use this group to reach pole star or Polaris. Early morning, eastern part of the sky. This week, you can observe Venus in the constellation Taurus. Near to this, you can see apparently close-packed stars called Pleiades, which is a star cluster. In southeast direction, you can find Mars in Aquarius constellation. Observe 2 bright stars in the same part of the sky. This is Fomalhaut, belonging to Piscis Austrinus. This bright star here is Achernar of Eridanus constellation. Turn to southwest. Here you can see Saturn, the Lord of Rings, and brilliant Jupiter. Spotting them, you can identify Sagittarius constellation just here. Now, let us observe moon's movement in this week. On June 22nd, first day after new moon, you can find moon in Gemini. It may be very difficult to identify. On June 23rd, moon is seen here in Cancer. On June 24th, moon is seen here in Cancer. On June 25th, moon is seen near the star Regulus of Leo constellation. On June 26th, moon is seen near the star Theta Leonis, means third brightest star in Leo. On June 27th, moon is seen near the star Denebola, the second brightest in Leo constellation. June 28th, the first quarter of lunar month, moon can be seen in Virgo. Along with this object, you can observe International Space Station ISS in the early morning sky. On 22nd, you can observe ISS for relatively longer duration, about 6 minutes. It appears around 5:14 here, then passes through Lyra constellation, moves beside the pole star and sets at north horizon. Thank you.